So guys, welcome back again to our channel. This is Wandering World, and for today's adventure, we are here at Mexico City.
It looks like it's so far away when we're right here on top of it, doesn't it?
See, this is the angel here. So for today's vlog, we are going to tour around Mexico City Historic Center. So enjoy watching! So this is the angel. And this is you wanna ask how much?
Sushi bar.
So welcome to Alameda Central here in Mexico City. Food here. Here's another fountain. Here's another fountain. And there's another fountain there.
This is a really nice park just to come and relax. It's got a bunch of beautiful fountains in it, and there's quite a few people during the week just walking around. And Mexico City is way different what you think of it. It's beautiful.
So that is Palacio de Bellas Artes.
They're going in over there, seeing the front door.
We're gonna get in there later.
They come out over there. You need to go up there to the 8th floor to the cafe. They'll sell coffee and croissants and ham and cheese sandwich. But then you get an excellent view of this here palace place. So that's what you need to do. Go up there and eat lunch, and then come back and do like we're going to do.
So this is our view here, up here at Sears building, the Palacio de las Bellas Artes. And look at up here, and you can drink coffee here,
Yeah.
right?
What a good
So here is the inside.
And you know the theater's going to be in Spanish, so maybe you can understand.
So here you can buy all the souvenirs, tacos everywhere, papas. It's a nice building. This building is the Banco de Mexico. So you can do hop on hop of bus here also as well. Here's another building. Secretary of Communications.
Oh, telephone.
Here's all the books. Museum de National de Arte. This is Escuela Nacional de Engineers, I guess. So at this point we are heading to the church.
Look at it.
This building is, I don't know yet. So we are here at Calle de Bolivar. Estados Unidos.
Era pasando la 7 minutes.
50 ra kono tag 50. Barato ra kaayo tag 50. Like a store. Oh, that's downstairs. Here's another old building. Shoes there. $1.59. See dati! Nagsayo-sayo po siya diya ha. Here's another building. McDonald's is here. Let's just continue walking. Yeah. Yeah, no, the biscuits there. Taxing Quinta Radri ay 50% off the ay.
They do this for
We're almost there.
on Saturday.
Yeah.
When we go to the museum, right? We'll go make sure we go there on a Saturday. We'll.
Yeah, I like the
What?
the one that he's doing. Hindi pala litun, guys. Mga bags, souvenirs, lalo.
Oh, it's a long way.
Gusto ni Mr. Wondering magpaingon ana. So we're here already. Church, I guess.
Inside the big gate. That's cool.
This is the entrance of the cathedral. Oh, look at this. This is the inside of the cathedral. Yeah. Now let's continue with our walking tour around here in Mexico City Center. Mexico City. Look at that. They're all a lot of bags there. Nice piece of t-shirt here. Oh, green. He's gonna try it like this. Palacio Nacional.
Boy, it's big, isn't it?
Yeah, but I guess it's still
Cultural
closed.
center.
We're heading this way. Seafood buffet. There's a lot of people today.
Religious artifact.
Some jewelry. This area also. Alahas diri kadaghan. 40% off. There is another shopping area. You can explore this place. It's so nice. Shopping.
I know you're the one that gets hot.
Another nice building here.
These stores
Daming tao.
can't compete with that.
Light area, lights.
North Mexico's down by the dancing cow with a cow with a skirt on. They have these cows all over everywhere painted up. They're really nice. So if you're here in Mexico, come see it. Bye.
Okay, another cow there. Another cow in Lala, Mexico.
Fiberglass.
Is it?
Fiberglass.
So we end up eating this banana queue here in Mexico like this. Look at the banana queue. Muna ilang banana queue dire. Banana queue. Saging. Oh, see? Yung butangan nila og condense. Look at that. Ooh, yummy.
Lechera,
Oh, condensada.
sí. Fresa,
What is that? Ketchup?
fresa, es dulce.
Ah, dulce.
Es dulce. Oh.
Ah. So, hope guys enjoy our tour, walking tour today here in Central Mexico. So, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to like, share, comment down below. And hit the notification bell for our next adventure.